This is Felix doing tutorial number 13, the motor drive. So here we have it. So here we have the motor connected to the motor drive, and the motor drive is supplied powered by 5 volts and 3.3 volts going into the motor drive through the green and red wire, and then we have pin 6, 5, and 4 going into the motor drive to control the motor drive, and then this is what goes into the motor drive. Then it all goes to ground through the black wire. So if we finish the circuit, the motor will work. First it goes in one direction, then it goes in the other direction. And here is the coding for basic tutorial number 13. First we set up integers DRI, DRIB, and FPWM as pin 5, 4, and 6, and we set those pins to outputs in the void setup. In the void loop we have them this will turn on, so one will turn on, the other one we turn off, and this will open the gate in a specific way to set the motor in a specific direction. And then we set the analog right to, this will turn on the motor to the highest speed and wait a second, and then it will close both gates to turn off the motor and turn off the speed, and then wait 1 second, and then it will turn on. It will turn off the DRA and turn on B, and then set the speed to 150. Then wait a second, and this will set the speed in the other direction. And then here we turn off the gates, so there's no direction, and we turn off the speed, and then it waits a second. And here is the modified. So as you can see, I added 2 LEDs to tell the direction of the motor, and the first LED goes comes out of pin 13 going into it and then going to ground, and the second one comes out of pin 12 going into the LED and then going to ground. So if we finish the circuit, and here is the coding for tutorial number 13, the modify. So as you can see, I added pin 12 and 13 as outputs, and then before the motor turns on, I set the LED 13 to high. Then after the motor shuts off, I set the LED to low, and that's for one direction. Then for the other direction, I set the pin 12 to high, and then after it's done all that, I set it to low.